Hey guys, okay, today we're doing a ROBLOX Studio tutorial again. So what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to make a working door with sounds, animations, and all that. So make sure you're in the model tab, and we want to set our rotate up here to 15, mine's already at 15, and then our move to 0.25. And make sure all these are checked in so it actually works correctly. Alright, so it doesn't matter what you put here, but I'm going to do material as wood and brown for my color, like a dark brown right here. Burnt sienna. Okay. Then I insert the part. Now, go to the scale tool. And then we want to size it down all the way. And then as far as you can, and then you want to go 1, 2 out here, and then 1, 2 out there to make a square. Okay. Okay, so now what you're gonna want to do is go into plugins. Sorry that this is messy here because I have a lot of plugins. But find the avatar importer. Actually no, not the avatar importer. Find the build rig. And then find, it doesn't matter if you're making it for a certain thing. I'm just gonna go R-throw normal because that is the tallest. So that means everybody will be able to get through your door. And then once you have that there, you want to just scale up your door and make sure they can fit in it. So let's see, we want to, there we go. And then just keep scaling it up until you know they can fit there. Alright, so then once it's up enough, just doesn't exactly have to be their height. It can go taller or it can go shorter depending on what avatar you want. So I'm just gonna make it a bit taller. Okay, so now you want to press Ctrl D on your keyboard and then bring this up here, make it a cube, so go all the way up and then go all the way up and then bring it 1, 2 down. And then make sure, alright, make sure that's right there. So the blue touches that. And then you want to go out so then you can still get through. And then you want to, again, one more time, press Ctrl D, go to the move tool, and then make those touch. Alright, so now he should be able to go. But we don't want these to fall over, so we have to anchor them. Now, if you don't have properties open, you should probably get those open. Again, those are in the view and then over here. But if you do have them open, press anchored here, and then anchored again over here, and anchored again over here. If you don't have that open, you can just press the button here, or I'm pretty sure you could, no, you can't. Okay. So either press it over here or press it up here. Now they're all anchored. Alright. So once that is done, okay, so we are going to delete the dummy that we made. And sorry if my screen is a little dark. I don't know why it's a little dark right now for me. It probably isn't for you guys. Probably just my eyes. So we want to select them all. You can either do that by holding Shift and then selecting each part manually, or you can just hold left click on your mouse and drag a box over there. And then it's only in model, I'm pretty sure. Yes, okay, only in model. So you go to model, then press union. Okay. And then once that is unioned, we want to go to in properties. Now here's where you're going to need properties. You want to press use part color. And then there we go. Okay, you just want to turn that on. Okay. And then you want to rename this to outline. So rename the union to outline. Okay, so now we want to insert another part, but we want to make this lighter. So just make it a bit brighter. I'm going to make it up here. So it's going to be rust. And then we want to, what do we want to do? Okay. We want to scale it down so it fits in between. and make it go in between. If you can have it out here, but it probably won't look as well and won't function right. And then just scale it all the way up so it touches the top. Yeah, okay. And actually, I'm gonna make it a little brighter. I'm gonna make it dark orange. Yeah. Alright, so it's not dark orange. That is one above burnt sienna, which is what we use for the frame. And we want to use this, or actually, what we use for the outline. We want to name this part, though. We want to name it door frame and set anchor to true. Anchor is also right there if you don't have properties open. Okay, now this step is optional if you want sound on your door, not when you open it. So you want to have toolbox open. That is over here in home. And I have it as a tab here. And then you want to go to audios here and then click this button right here. And then search for the creator Taymaster. He made Mad City. Here he is. Okay, and then apply. Now he has a good door open and a good door close sound. So here's his door open. And then his door closes right here. Okay. So once we do that, we're gonna have to get these. We want to, okay, so we want to drag them. Actually, we don't want to drag them. We just want to click them. And if the door close goes into sound right here, put that in workspace. And then I don't know why that sound. That happens, you delete sound and then just bring door open back out. Okay. So now you want to put these both into door frame. All right. Now, you want to rename door close to door close like that, so there's nothing like that, and it's just uppercase D, uppercase C. And then over here, just door open. Simple as that. Okay, so now we want to set the volume. So the volume at the moment is not very loud. Here's door open and door close. But we want that to be louder. So on both of them, it doesn't matter which one you do first. Set the volume right here to 2. And then go back to the other one and then do 2. Now, door open and door close. It's louder. Okay, so now here's where we're going to put the door for actually opening and closing it. So we want to copy this. So set it to so do Control D, and then you want to rotate it. So click the rotate tool, use the green, and then go all the way around so it's facing that way. Use move, pull it out, and then what you want to do is you want to line it up here. So make sure it's touching there, and actually I'm gonna pull it out a little bit so it lines up right there. And make sure it is touching, don't go in or else it'll look weird. And then this is where you're definitely going to need properties now. Again, it's in the view and then properties right there. So you want to set can collide right here to false, and then set the transparency of an appearance to 1. Now you can't see it. Now, the door frame here that we made, we want to remove both of the audios. So there's the door frame. Now, we want to Control D the door frame right here again one more time, but keep it there, remove the audios again, and then make it, let's see, right, make the transparency 1, and set, and then keep can collide to true, I'm pretty sure. No, okay, we want to have can collide off still. Alright, so transparency 1 and can collide to false. Now we want to rename this one here to door frame open. And then this one here to door frame close. Okay, now we're going to group it. So you can either select this like that way, or you can select each individual part, but since we have a part inside a part, just use it like that. Then there are many ways you can do this. You can either press in home, you can press group. In model, you can press group. in here, you can right click and press group, or on your keyboard, you can press Ctrl G, that's what I'm gonna do, and it instantly groups it. Okay, so now it's grouped, and we can just call it simply door. Alright, now here's where it's gonna get a tiny bit complicated. So, in our door frame that has the audios, press this plus here, and search for a click detector. I already have it in frequently used, the click detector. And then you want to click it, and in properties, set the max activation distance to what you want. I'm just gonna set it to 16. Okay. And then you want to add a script. Yes, we will have the script in this tutorial. So just click script and then delete the print right there. And then, okay, so here's where we're gonna have to do the scripting. So we wanna write local frame space equals script dot parent. And then go down one line and do local open sound space equals frame colon wait for child, and then in there we want to do apostrophes, or no, not apostrophes, like talking marks, I guess they're called apostrophes. Then call it door, oops, not DPPR, door open. Now you want to press enter again, or return, whatever you have, and press local, or not press, type local close sound equals frame wait for child, again apostrophes or quotation marks, that's what they're called, door close. And then under that you want to do another local, there's a lot of locals in here, click detector, click detector. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention something. When you're adding the script, don't add a there's multiple types of scripts. Don't add module script and don't add local script. Add script, or else the door will not open for everybody if you do local script, and I don't know what will happen if you do module script, because I never use those. Okay, continuing. To click detector equals frame wait for child, and then quotation marks, and call it click detector. Alright, and then you want to do, there's one more local we have to do, local model space equals space frame dot, is that a dot? Yep, dot parent. Alright, and then you want to do 2 returns or 2 enters, and then do click detector dot mouse click colon connect, and then do one of these, like a brace or something, apostrophe, no, they're not, I keep calling everything apostrophes, whatever those are, and then put in the function, and then do one more here, and then delete that one so it just looks like that. Alright, and then do one more space, and then there we, actually no, you want to do, yeah, one more, I accidentally did 2. And then in, let's see, in door, I think? Okay, yeah, in door, so you can close that. Then in the actual door, press plus, and then search bool value, and rename it to opened. Alright. Once you have renamed it to opened, we want to write, okay, so go right here to local, and then, or, well, there's multiple locals, go to the end of the parent one, the last one, and then you want to, we have to add more actually, so press return or enter, whatever you have, and then do local, what is it, frame close equals model wait for model, wait for child. Oops. I think I did that right. Yeah. And then do these things again. And then do quotation marks again. And then do door frame close. And do it again. But then this time, actually, you can just copy and paste this. And then down here, do Control C to copy it, and then Control V to paste it. Just change the close right here to open. And actually, over here, you also want to change this to open. So open and open instead of close and close. Alright, and then you want to, down here, do another enter or return. You want to do local opened, right? Yeah. Local opened equals model wait for child. One of those, and then quotation marks, and then opened, and then one more. This is gonna be our last local in like this section. We are gonna have to put more locals, but you know. So local tween. Wait, yeah, okay. Space tween service equals game get service right here. And then in there you want to do those things and quotation marks and do tween service. All right, now we want to do another, what do we want to do here? Okay, so we want to do one of those and then go down one to 11. And then you want to write local debounce space equal true. And then you want to go down over to here and then do another enter / return. And then write if debounce 2 equals now equals true, then, and then do another return. And don't get rid of the n that pops up, we need that. Then debounce equals, just one equal this time, false. Okay. And then you want to do another return / enter. And then, let's see, if opened dot value equals, so 2 equals that time, true, then, wait, am I doing the, nope, okay, you do want to repeat it, technically. Actually, it's a little different. And then return / enter again, opened dot value equals false. Alrighty. So now, once we have that, you want to do 2 enter / returns. And then do close, and then do close sound, colon play. And then those braces, curly braces, whatever those are called. And then do an enter / return again. Tween service, colon create. And then those things will pop up. Frame tween info dot new. And then in these in these new curly braces that pop up, do point dot 35 or like dot 35, and then go over one, so you're in the middle of these 2 ending ones. Do comma. And then, alrighty. Now we want to add the ones that look like this. They might be hard to find on your keyboard, so just try to find them. As you can, feel free to pause the video. And then you want to do C-frame equals frame close dot C-frame. And then those ending ones are there. And then you want to actually go to the very end of the paragraph and then do another colon, say play, and then add 2 more of those. And then right down here, in line 20, do 1 backspace actually, else, and then do another return / enter, then do opened dot value equals true. Do 2 return / enters, open sound colon play, and then more curly braces, and then tween, do another return / enter, so tween service colon create, and curly braces already appeared, frame comma tween info dot new, and then again point dot 35. Then in here you want to do the colon, the comma again, then do these like different types of curly braces, and again write C frame equals frame open dot C frame, and then the ending one, then go add again, and then do a colon play, and then those curly braces again, the normal curly braces. Now, and then there is an end there, right there. Now go to this end, which is at 25. Now do 1 space, and then another space, or not space, enter / return, and then do wait. We are almost done, by the way. And then curly braces dot 35, and then under that do debounce equals true, and we should be done. Now we can go in and test it, and hopefully it will work. I will turn the sound back on so you guys can hear. All right, and then we open it. Okay, something wrong because the door is not open. All right, let me go through and fix it, see if we can find the problem. Okay, I found the problem. It's really small actually. So in line 15, I didn't finish true. I forgot to put an E. Hopefully now if we test it, oops, I didn't press play here. I hope it puts us at the right place. Okay, that's fine. All right, so now it should work. No? Okay. C-frame is still not a valid member of part. Oops, again, it was a stupid problem. Here, these C-frames on line 24, I did not put uppercase F. You have to put an uppercase F, uppercase C, and uppercase F. Now it should work. Please, please, please work. Yay! Alright, there we go. It works. Okay. There we go. Is my sound on? Yes, it is. Okay, you can hear that, right? Yeah, you can hear that. Alrighty. Good, it worked. That's great. Okay, so that is basically it for this tutorial, guys. I'm sorry about the end. You can just walk on through it. I'll stop annoying you with the noise now. I'll turn off noise. But yeah, so that's it for this tutorial. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.